Oh, this is
Hello
all of
guys! Welcome back to our vlog! Today's video guys, at nakikita nyo naman kung ano mayroon kami sa likod, ay ang aming barbecue grill. Bumili kasi si Habi ng barbecue grill kasi ito yung bagay na hindi namin magagawa sa kondo namin. Bawal ang magluto sa labas ng bahay or sa balcony, only in the swimming pool. So this time guys, kasi nakalipat na kami ng bahay, ito ang first thing na gustong-gusto ni Habi bilhin at mag-barbecue ulit. So after like 3 weeks now on, we're 3 weeks here now, baby, right? So 3 weeks now, finally we got our barbecue grill, and my husband cannot wait. So gustong-gusto niya talaga mag-grill. Today is Saturday. Kahit anong oras na yun is 4 p.m. Diyos ko, excited siya. Hindi
Yay!
na siya makapaghintay. You can't wait, right?
Hey, no, we can't wait.
It's so hot outside, guys. Dito sa South Texas is super hot.
Super hot.
Kaya nagumpisa na kami mag-grill ng aming barbecue. Ito po, ipakita namin sa inyo, guys, kung ano ang aming ginrill ngayon. Explain it, Daddy. What are you grilling?
Yes, this is hamburgers that we got already pre-made. We haven't made them from scratch. We bought them pre-made to save some time. And then we have a big steak in the middle.
Yes.
And then you have the pork on the back end.
Yeah.
So that's also seasoned pork.
Can you explain what else do you have except barbecue things here, like let's say smoker?
Oh yeah, that's a smoker. I don't know how that works. I have to figure out.
So what is this one, Daddy? Is a smoker? Do you have smoker as well? That you can
that's
do
another
smoker?
type of smoking. Yeah.
And this one is what?
This one is for gas, for the gas grill. If you're lazy, if you don't want to do all the charcoal, you can do the gas as well.
Oh, this is for gas as well. If you want to use.
We don't have that set up yet.
This is the charcoal, right? And this is what? This is the last one is.
Oh yeah, that's a cooking plate.
Cooking plate.
It's for your stinking
dry
fish.
Yes.
Yeah. For your dried fish.
Right.
Yeah. Grilling on one side. Maybe time to turn them soon. Do you have the? Oh, you have that one. You think you can turn? Not bad.
Oh wow! Oh my goodness!
Huh?
Oh, looks really good.
Oh.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah, I think you have to turn it.
Awesome. This is like a bit dry.
Yeah. You have to turn it. Oh, it's sticking a little bit. It's okay.
The best. It's really good. It smells so good. And mayroon po kaming chicken. Gusto po namin i-grill lahat para ano na lang, pag hindi namin maubos, i-freezer na lang po namin for saving the charcoal. Kasi sayang naman maraming siyang apoy. Hindi maraming siyang charcoal ba? Oh, you wanna close it? Don't forget my corn. I have corn also. Maybe I can put the corn on the other side here. We have enough space though.
You think so?
Yes. No, stay here. Kayla, how you doing, baby?
Oh, we haven't done the fry.
Oh yeah, maybe you can start that. I don't know how long it takes.
This
Yeah, I can. Dahil mayroong space, lalagay po natin ang ating corn. Pakita ko sa inyo guys how it looks like. Smells really good. Diba? Smell. Very fresh. Medyo mainit guys. Pero hapon naman dito na almost 5 po. So kaya medyo relax na relax.
You turn them around.
Babe, I don't wanna eat the pork. It's typically says na.
It's not cooked.
Nararo. Ang bango ng hamburger.
Oh, it's 160 for well done. There's 20, 25 to rare. So it's a little bit bloody still though. But
Blooded.
yeah, on the side.
Pero
But it's not bad. Ooh.
Dito ulit kami guys, nag-grilling. Last time na ginamit namin guys ay ang ay charcoal. Marami kasi itong choices. Kung gusto mo gumamit ng charcoal, ito po ay gagamitin mo. Kung gusto mo talaga yung maamoy-amoy ang iyong karne. Tapos ang ito naman guys ay smoking. Kung gusto mo mag-smoke ng karne o lalo isda or chicken. Tapos ito naman guys ay kailangan mo gamitin ang gasol. Yan, may gasol. Bumili kami ng gasol kasi kung gusto mo talaga na convenience at nagmamadali, ito yung gagamitin mo ay yung gasol. Tapos ito naman guys ay pang frying. Kung gusto mo mag-fry, like let's say you wanna fry the small things, ito po ay gagamitin mo. Ayan o. Yan. So, ngayon, ay ito lang po ang barbecue namin. So, ginamit namin ay gas. Maganda yung gas guys kasi wala siyang, walang apo. Anong tawag dyan? Usok. Walang usok. And, yeah. And gusto po ni Habi gumamit. Gumamit po si Habi ng, ng clear glass. Plastic glass kasi maraming flies.
This is good stuff.
Yeah. Super. Ang bango talaga. Pero mas maganda pa rin siguro kung charcoal yung ginamit. And may mga small flies kaya nilagyan ko si Micaela ng mosquito net. Right, Micaela? Right? Are you okay? Yes. You stay there. I don't want you to come out. Ayan guys, ito yung mga tanim ko guys, oh. Ito ang aking spring onion, Thai curry, basil. Huh?
You want to have a big plate to put it on? It's not good to put it back on that plate.
No.
Huh?
No.
No?
No, leave it like that. Don't put it back.
No,
You can get thing out. Habang nag-barbecue tayo guys, ituturo ko muna kayo sa aming ibang uri ng plant dito. Ito ay fig fruit. Marami po siyang bunga guys, oh. Pero hilaw pa siya, pero madali sila maluto. Mahinog pala, ang bilis. Tapos kinakain ng mga ibon, oh, goodness. Ito, nahulog dito. Tapos ito, namunga sila. Madaming bunga. Yung dalawa, malapit na mahinog. Ko kay Micaela. Pitas ko kay Micaela. Tapos ito guys is ay gardenia. Gardenia po ito guys. Gardenia. Yan. Tapos, pakita ko sa inyo yung suwa namin. Suwa. Or lang ba tawag dito. Hindi nila season. Tapos na po yung harvest season nila. Pero ngayon, na sila guys. Marami silang mga bulaklak. Marami ng bulaklak. Tapos ito, oh. May nakita. Fruit. At maraming mga maraming mga bulaklak malapit ng mamunga. Tapos, dito tayo. Ito yung bayabas ko. Bayabas namin. Nung bago kami pumunta dito, isang bunga lang siya. Isang bunga lang talaga. Ngayon, may nakita kaming bulaklak guys. Namumulaklak. May nakita kaming 6 na, ano na dito, 6 na guwaba. Isa, 2. Tapos ito guys, oh. Maraming, avocado. It's so cute. Alam nyo guys, nung pumunta kami dito, maraming patay na sanga dyan. Kaya kinat namin immediately. Para guys, para magiging healthy ba. Tapos pakita ko sa inyo yung aming bungang bayabas. Ito yung nakita ko few days. Yan o. Tapos meron ko silang bunga. Meron bunga. Ito umaapaw na doon sa kabila. Natanggal. Itong avocado hindi pa namin nakikita na namumulaklak. I don't know, maybe hindi pa enough time for that to start growing. Pero yung guava at least namumungan po siya. And ito nga guys, magawa ko ng sarili naming garden dito. Nagbubungkal kami ng lupa para pagtaniman ko ng mga vegetable ko. Ito nga ay yung yung green beans ko, iwan ko buhay ba yan o hindi. Tapos ito guys ay aking tanglad or lemongrass, iwan ko. Ito yung tuyo. Tapos marami pang space yung guys pagtaniman, pero sobrang busy pa po and sobrang pagod. Bagod pala. Kaya yan, hinahinay lang ba. Pero I'm so excited for the talaga guys, avocado. Kasi we love avocado. We eat avocado every day. And also for my daughter na Kayla, she love avocado. And saan ba? Yun lang mayroon kami ngayon. We are so very impressed talaga sa aming pig fruit. Kasi ito yung pinaka-healthy na fruit talaga. And kung bilhin mo to guys, sobrang mahal sa store. Ayun mayroon namamunga dito. Sa 2-3. Ito yung garden niya namin ay namumulaklak siya kasi. Maganda yung flower niya guys. Ang cute. Yan, tingnan niyo. Parang pang display lang ata ito eh. Parang wala ka naman makakuha na benefits. Pero ang cute. Super cute. So excited. Maraming bunga talaga itong fig fruit. Unending fruit daw tawag nila dito sa fig fruit. Kasi never nag-stop bunga.